Hello everyone, welcome to Feel It or Form. If you're new to this channel, welcome, and this is the place where we explore different earning opportunities in the online world. And I hope this video finds you well wherever you're watching it from. So on today's video, we'll be diving into two platforms that will pay you weekly just to train AI models, okay? And the second website is even better. It will pays you for doing qualification test, okay? So without wasting your time, let me show you the first website. So the first website in this list is called this one, Remotask. Now this website was formed in 2015, and it typically offers a variety of tasks related to artificial intelligence and machine learning systems, okay? And the nature of jobs available in this site involve human inputs to assist in training AI and improving the AI algorithms. And the type of jobs available here are more or less the same with the ones we've been doing in UHRS. And the jobs are like uh, image annotation, data labeling, audio transcription, text annotation, data collection, content moderation, video annotation, and my favorite job in this platform is called quality control and verification. So for those people who are new to this channel and you don't know what this type of jobs entail, data annotation typically involve drawing bounding boxes around objects or images. Okay, so like this one, you'll be given an image like this, and you'll be told that to mark all the human beings you're seeing there. So you just draw a bounding box around them, then you submit and you get paid. Data labeling is more or less like verifying and correcting pre-existing labels. It's easy and you get paid for that. Audio transcription is just the normal transcription that we've been doing, just changing the audio content into written text. Text annotation is just the same with the image annotation. Then data collection is self-explanatory. And my favorite one is quality control and verification. Now, this type of job is given to those people who will be giving high quality jobs in their platforms or in their accounts. So if you will be maintaining high quality, your account will be elevated to quality control and verification, and your work will be just to verify or rewrite and validate the work of other contributors. So after people have done their job or task, uh, whatever they've done will pass through your account, and now you just have to verify if whatever they did is correct or not. Okay, then you submit and you get paid. And by the way, this video was inspired by one of the UHRS users who is a subscriber by the name Dan, David, and Farm. Now, Dan said that if there are other platforms, please make videos about those one too, and I will appreciate. I have been looking for alternative because lately my UHRS account has been so dry, and it's true, guys. UHRS accounts uh, has been so dry. I thought my account was the one which did not have jobs, but seeing a comment from Dan and David, it proves to me that we need to have alternative sites for us to do our work. Okay, and don't just register in one site, guys. Register in different sites so that when one site is low on jobs, you can move to the next site and get more jobs also. Now, before we move to the next video, let me tell you how these people pay. They do pay using PayPal and ATM. Okay, so if you still don't have PayPal account, You need to have your PayPal account or your ATM account, and they do pay weekly. So every Friday, by every Friday, you'll be having your cash in your account. Okay. Oh, sorry. Now, mm, registration is easy. You just click on start earning, and it will take you to the next page where you'll have to key in your correct information. Now, they do uh, accept registration for those people who have a Facebook account or have Google account. So your information in your Google account is the one that they'll use in your account. Okay. So you need to have a Google account or a Facebook account for you to register in this site. Now, the next site in this list is called Tryoutlier, and in this site is more or less the same with the Remotask. Uh, this platform they also offer tasks related to artificial intelligence and machine learning projects. The nature of the task also involve human input to assist in training and improving the AI algorithms. Okay, you can see from here they say uh, they pay 32.20 US dollars per hour. Okay, they pay on an hourly basis, and depending, this will depend with the skills you have. Okay, now, mm, how does this site work? Now, on this site, you'll have to click on get started, and it will take you to the next page where you also have to key in your correct information. But they also offer registration through Facebook and your Google account. Is more or less the same with the remote task. It's like they are sisters or brothers. So after registration, you'll have to upload your resume, and you'll also have to verify your phone number. And after doing that, you'll have to do paid assessment test, and you can even earn as high as 40 US dollars or even 45 US dollars just doing one assessment test. You can see here a 45 minutes coding assessment test. You get 40 US dollars when you pass. Okay. Even this one code generation, which is a 60-minute test, you'll get $40. Okay. So the more tests you do in this platform, the more your resume is even built, and the more your chances of getting uh, uh, jobs that are paying even higher and higher. Okay. And the more you earn also by doing the tests. Okay. Now, let's check some of the example of jobs that are available in this platform. So for that, you come and click on this careers, then it will take you to this page. Now for this, when you are in this page, just scroll down and you'll see open positions here. Okay. Now right now they are looking for AI training for physics experts. So this one, they are looking for people who knows physics. So let's check uh, what this job entails. So when you open that job, you can see here they're saying training AI physics. They're asking, are you interested in teaching the next generation AI models about physics and depending your domain expertise? If your answer is yes, just check their hourly rate. Okay, check this. They are paying 36 US dollars to $60, guys, for this type of job, and this will depend on your level of expertise. Okay, you can be paid as much as $60 just for training AI do physics. Okay, so if you are an expert in this in physics, you can just come and register in this platform. But not only physics, guys, they also provide other subjects like maths, English, all type of uh, languages, and they even offer biology. So don't be afraid. Just check if you can do those tasks in this platform. Okay. They also do offer payment through PayPal and ATM. Uh, so you need to have those type of payment ready before you start registering for these accounts. Okay. So how do I avoid suspension from these two sites? Now, number one, if you're planning to register in these sites, don't use the same email address. Okay. And the best thing, if you plan to register in both sites, you can tell one of your relatives to register for you one of the sites. Okay. Because if they find out that you've been using one account or one email address, which is the Google account, they'll block one account. Okay. So another thing, for you to avoid suspension from these sites, you need to maintain high quality work, and your account will also be elevated to the next level that even pays higher. Okay. Now, mm, if you find any issue when you are trying to register, just let us know in the comment section, and also you can contact us via email. The email address will be in the description of this video. So that wraps up today's review. And if you found any, if you had any experience with any of these platform, I'll love to hear about them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friend if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more content like this one. Okay. Until next time, happy freelancing, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.